7. Notice how we have a binomial inside each parentheses. That tells you you have a FOIL problem. Your first term of FOIL is root 3 times 2 root 3. That gives you 2 root 9. Outside we have root 3 times root 2 making minus root 6. Inside, negative root 2 times positive 2 root 3 makes negative 2 root 6. And the last term of FOIL is negative times negative, so it's positive. Root 2 times root 2 makes root 4. So we've got a 2 times a 3 making a 6 out in front. This last term here is a 2. And the 6 and the 2 will combine together and give us an 8. The middle terms will combine together using addition now, not getting the rules for addition mixed up with the rules for multiplication. And now we have the same radical stuff inside, and so negative 1 and negative 2 make minus 3 root 6 as the solution. Lots to watch out for, and one little mistake will mess it all up, so you've got to take your time. Your worst enemy is yourself going too quickly. So here we go with number 8. First term of FOIL. We've got 4 root 3 and 5 root 3. The outside 4 times 5 makes a 20. The inside root 3 times root 3 makes root 9. Don't try and go straight to the 20 times 3 is 60 too quickly. You can do that on a second line and a third line. The outer term of FOIL, that's the 4 root 3 on the left and the 4 root 5 on the right. That multiplies together and gives you 16 root 15. The inner term of FOIL, that's the negative 2 root 5 times the positive 5 root 3, makes negative 10 root 15. So these middle terms will combine together and give you a positive 6 root 15. And then we got the L term of FOIL, where we've got the negative times positive, which makes negative. The outside 2 and the 4 give us an 8. The inside 5 and 5 multiply together to give us root 25. So that's really a minus 8 times 5, which makes that a minus 40. Putting the 60 and the minus 40 together, we have 20 plus 6 root 15. Now number 9 has a square symbol up front, not to be confused with problem number 5 that we did over to the left. This time there's a minus sign inside, which tells us we have to FOIL this time. Do not shower in that square symbol across that minus sign, or you'll miss the middle 2 terms of FOIL. First term of FOIL is 9 root a squared. Outer is a minus 15 root a. Inside is a minus 15 root a. And the last term of FOIL is a positive 25. So we have 9a. Combine these middle terms together to make minus 30 root a. Bring down the plus 25. Now technically with that 9a, you might need absolute values, but odds are there's a disclaimer on this problem saying that all variables represent positive values, and so I'm just going to leave the absolute value off. The final problem of this video that I want to show you is again another one of these binomials getting squared. So 5 root c plus 2 root d getting multiplied by itself again. Just be careful, don't go too quickly. First term of FOIL, 25 root c squared. Inner, 10 root cd. Outer, also plus 10 root cd. The last term of FOIL, 2 root d times 2 root d is 4 root d squared. So we have the following. 25c. Combine the middle terms together to give you plus 20 root cd, plus last term coming down 4d.